Calvary greetings, saints of the Most High God. It's Pastor Takus Mayazoka. Um, I'm kindly inviting you all to join this challenge. It's my creator challenge. So, all those who would want to do so, kindly sing along to this beautiful chorus that the Lord gave me a few years ago. Um, once you sing something, once you put something on it, you can put an instrument. Uh, any kind of instrument, or you can back up with your own vocals and send it to my WhatsApp number +263 783 212 689. You are so wonderful, good God. You are so beautiful, good God. Every knee must bow, every tongue confess, you are holy, Lord Jesus.